We are continuing our coverage of the Pearl Fire burning in Larimer County. Mandatory evacuations are in effect for people who live around Crystal Lakes down to County Roads 86 and 170. It's burned more than 130 acres.
And Larimer County really has seen its share of wildfires. Most recently, the Alexander Mountain Fire this summer. That burned for 3 weeks in late July, early August, scorching some 10,000 acres, and it destroyed 26 homes.
And you'll remember the Cameron Peak Fire back in August of 2020 burned for nearly 4 months. It ravaged more than 200,000 acres in Larimer and Jackson counties and Rocky Mountain National Park. It remains the largest wildfire to ever burn in Colorado. It destroyed 42 homes along with 220 outbuildings. And tonight we're taking a closer look at fire behavior and fire response.
And we're so honored to have Paul Ostroy, Wildland Fire Management Officer with the Mountain View Fire Department. Thanks for being up so late with us and your expertise. So, I mean, relatively large response to this Pearl Fire. So explain to us how response is decided, the number of personnel and also the number of equipment deployed.
And so it all depends on the location and availability of the resources. So with that being said if the fire is a little bit more remote, it can tend to take different types of personnel and resources to make access into those areas. And so really the whole game plan is just basically trying to provide life safety to the residents in the area and trying to do it as quickly as possible by getting those resources and getting the amount needed to facilitate the needs.
Whenever a large wildfire breaks out, everyone wants to know about air support. They want to know when that Firehawk gets deployed or other resources like choppers and airplanes.
Sure, and so that's all again dependent on what's available here. We do have a national program that we kind of tap into, and so when that gets depleted, we start to kind of go out even farther. And even on the Alexander Mountain Fire, they were calling in aircraft from Canada to help. And so when we need the assistance from other areas, there's no specific resource that will come right away, but once we put in the request, then that's actually when we see that resource come. And it could be fixed wing, more of airplanes compared to helicopters, but thankfully we have a good variety of aircraft out there to help.
So let's zoom out just a little bit here. How has wildland firefighting changed in recent years? So we have seen some ugly, nasty fires in the last few years.
Sure. And I think one of the hard parts is we don't have as many firefighters in a way as we somewhat had. The society seems to change a little bit with the amount of individuals who are actually doing the job, and so these fires become bigger and more extreme, and yet we have to ask for help from around the nation and then again from around the world to help facilitate the needs to minimize the threat.
Paul Ostroy with the Mountain View Fire Department. We appreciate you talking to us about this and giving us some greater perspective.
Thanks so much, Paul.
Thank you.